in the next part of this whole numbers. This is part 5 of whole numbers. Before watching this part, you should watch my previous video on this chapter whole numbers, that is part 4. That after part 4 I am going to discuss few questions from the exercise 2E of whole numbers, class 6th ICSE. The first question is written on dividing a certain number by 126. There is a certain number, we don't know that number. When we are dividing that number by 126, this is very important point, by 126, it means that whenever any number you are dividing by any number, that by number is your divisor. Very clearly it is mentioned that our quotient is 15 and the remainder is 4. Find the number. We have to find that certain number which we are dividing by this number. Of course, we are having the divisor, quotient and remainder, then of course we have to find out dividend. So here we'll put a question mark because we don't know the dividend. Divisor we are having, that is 126, quotient we are having, that is 15, and the remainder we are having, that is 4. Now we will solve this question with the help of this division algorithm. So I have already given you this formula. A dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So we will put all these values in this formula. So at the place of divisor we will put 126. At the place of quotient we can write 15 and the remainder we can write 4. Now what we will do, we'll multiply 126 by 15 and then at last we will add 4. I have multiplied 126 by 15, so the answer is 1890 and at last we'll add this remainder. So 1894 is your dividend. So you can see that how much beneficial is this formula for us. The next question I'll discuss from the same exercise, the question number 2nd, on dividing 28,853 by 63, the quotient is 456, find the remainder. Here it is mentioned that we have to find the remainder, so at the place of remainder we will put question mark dividend on dividing this number. It is given 28,853 by 63, whatever is written with by, that is your divisor, and the quotient is given 456. Again we will use the formula algorithm, division algorithm. Now here you can see with the help of the previous formula I have made one more formula for the remainder. So I have made this formula, remainder is equal to dividend minus divisor into quotient. We'll put all these values in this formula. So dividend is given 28853 minus, what is your divisor, 456 into 63. We'll solve this. You can multiply 456 into 63.